on the ground is going to be behind the girth over here. Button number 2 is right here, button number 1. So with button number 3, her nose has to be pointed to me to get her hindquarters to move away. So I'm going to make my little loop so that way I can pull back if needed, but I'm going to move so I just see her eyeball and her nose, and I'm going to add until I get, look at those back feet, and cross, 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 pull back if I need to. I want to make her dig a hole as good as I can with that inside foot. So what you do on one side, you do on the other one. All right, again, I'm going to make a loop right here so I can pull her towards me. My toes are going to point towards the hindquarters. Yes, I know. And I'm going to ask her to cross over with the backhand. Now I'm going to add pressure until she actually moves it. There you go. There's a cross. 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 Now, she's giving me the evil eye when you push way far back right there. So, that's when you know that you've gone too far. So, button number 3 is right here. She doesn't have a problem with that. But when I start pushing her way back here in the flank, that doesn't feel so good. You want to make sure you keep your cue right there. Because if you get farther, she's like, oh no, you ain't supposed to be back there. She gave you an evil eye. Okay, good turn. So her tummy hurts a little bit. You can tell that that's when it gets way far back there. See, it's just probably, see, it's way far back here. See how that, this back here is hind gut, and that's just from a little bit of the ulcer, I think. Avoid that spot. Okay. You're going to tip her head and think about your hand staying right here in the corner. So, yeah, like right there. Now add button number 3.
Is this too far though?
That's a little far. Just get the corner of eye, corner of nose, okay? Yes. And add button number 3 and point your toes towards the hind. There you go. There you go. Cross and release. Cross. There you go. Tap, tap, tap. So this is one of those ones that if she's having a problem like this, you can add intermittent pressure. Tap, 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 tap. There you go. Add pressure. There you go. And release. Release immediately. Good. And just give her a big out. We're not going to push her too much if it's something that, you know, she's not really feeling. Okay. I want to thank everybody for joining me on today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out my playlists.